What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lee Vlogs. Today we're just doing something very simple. My boy actually entered his BMW M3. You guys have seen it before on the channel. He recently got it painted and wide bodied, so we're going to a car show that he entered his vehicle in. Go check that out. And yeah, we're gonna take the vet, have some good times, you know, a little car show vlog. The vet is pretty clean for right now. I got her washed yesterday, so should be good there. I would give you guys a cold start right now, but we're kinda in a rush. So bear with me. I'm sure you'll hear some exhaust noises at some point in this vlog. But no further ado, welcome to the video. Guys, I'm about 20 minutes out, but look at all this traffic, man. Hopefully this shit clears up by the time I come back. Figure I'll show you guys a little bit of my drive. Not quite canyons, but you know, nice little curvy road. Got some little mountains over here. Nothing crazy. I don't know if you guys can see that out the window, but yeah, it's what it takes to make the content, baby. All right, I'll pick you guys back up when we get to the show. All right, so it looks like we're here at this car show. They already got me in the dirt, so they got me fucked up right now. Oh shit, we're getting dirty. Let's see what happens. Q60, not bad. It's clean. All right, so the turnout looks pretty good. Looks like I see some more vets over there. Maybe I'll go park over there next to my brother's, right? Oh God, I don't like taking this shit off road. This is rough. Beautiful yellow Viper right here. It's clean. Let's see. We got a nice Z06 right here. More Corvette gang. Okay. I see you guys. That's clean right there. Go park next to the boys. So we are here, guys. Just pulled up, getting out. Parked next to this huge TRD off-road. Oh, looks like my front splitter broke. Let's see here. Yep, I've been having some issues with her. She is officially busted. So, yeah. More on that in a later vlog. But this side looks good at least. Anyways, this vlog is not about my car today. However, this does break my heart, but hey, we'll get it fixed. I didn't hit anything. It's actually kind of been messed up for a while. Just do a quick explanation. So these little guys right here that actually go inside of here, for whatever reason, they got loose or weren't glued in properly or whatever the fuck reason, but pretty much broke off. So and now this shit's hella broke. Oh well.
Oh man, what happened, bud?
It's been broken for a while. I just haven't got it fixed. Yeah.
Nice car.
Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so we do have some more vets right here. So it's like a white, just Stingray, looking good, Z51. This is a Grand Sport, and we got a Z06. Pretty clean. Not bad.
Tires.
Alright, so here's that Viper again. Clean.
355s in the back. What's in the front?
That APR front splitter.
295s in the front.
Oh yeah. Clean, clean, clean.
Look at how wide these tires.
This would scare the fuck out of me being parked this close. Crazy. Some Miata gang over here. There's gonna be too many cars to cover, so I'm just gonna cover the ones I like. We got another Corvette over there. Oh, this is a BRZ. Nice Volk racing wheels, clean. Yellow BRZ, like that. Let's check out this, what do we got here? Stingray? Okay. What wheels is he running? I have no clue. This is TS55s? Maybe TSWs? Oh, so he has the ZR1 conversion front end. I've actually thought about doing this on my car. You guys let me know, should I do it? Or should I not do it? The only bad thing I've heard is that it's hard to get the front fitment wheel gap, but looks like he accomplished it pretty well, so maybe I'll consider going this route instead of replacing the whole front splitter of mine, since now it's broken, as you guys just saw. Maybe I'll go that route. It looks pretty nice though. You guys let me know in the comments, should I go ZR1 front end or just replace it with a new front lip? Let me know, let me know. All right, let's keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. I have no clue where my friend is at or where the actual car show area is, because he actually entered his car into the show. Nice little Mustang gang. I think it's that way. I'm gonna guess it's that way. That's where all the people are going, so let's go that way. Hold on. GTR. Gotta check out the GTR. I am slowly becoming more and more in love with these R35s. They're so clean. I really want one. Really want one. And the vet is almost paid off, boys. You guys let me know. Could this be, or should this be, the next Lee Vlog car on the channel? Let me know, let me know. All right, looks like they got food here. That's good. Now we are looking for a chalk gray wide body BMW M3. This is clean. Like the race mirrors on it. That is fucking clean. Those mirrors. New Honda Civic Type R's. I like the way these look from the outside. They look very good. They did a good job on these. Little S13 gang right here. Gotta have a sweet spot for the Silvias. Oh yeah. And then a 240 over here, all raced out. Ooh. Look at this wrap right here. Nice little paint shift. Goes from purple to light blue. Boy did it all. Fuck with it. Nice little color shift. Engine's all done up too. Damn. Alright, so we got C8 Corvette, and looks like a Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Nice, 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 nice. Gotta get the Lambos. I actually know whose car this is. He might be around here. I don't know him personally, but we're in the same Facebook group. He's the owner of TPS Motorsports. His C8. It's clean. Clean. This is my boy's M3 way over there. Wide bodied out. Looks like they gave him a stage for his shit. Let's go check it out. Wide body gang. Well, this is that white M3 I burnt a while back. Wide bodied. Woo.
Nice. Impressive, dude.
After he's done talking, I'll let him talk about it because I don't know too much of what he's done. I know just a little bit, but most of this shit is one-off, custom. Man, look at that. Look at that. Rotoform wheels. Alright boys, we're here with my homie Greg M3. He's the owner of this BMW M3, completely custom. So yeah, what have you done to this thing?
I would say I did the trunk, I did the diffuser.
Oh, pop the trunk real quick, just show these niggas what you really working with, man, because you can say it, but they won't take it in unless, okay, there we go.
Yes, sir.
Fully custom trunk. You know she bag, but yeah, go ahead.
Did the wheels. Custom fit to the flares.
Okay, okay. So custom wide body action going on over here. Custom wheels. These are 3-piece rotoforms. Yeah, rotoform wheels.
I did the forged red.
Alright, so we got a forged red carbon fiber interior trim pieces. So throughout the whole thing, red roll cage as well. Yeah. Little wide body front.
I got the M1 bumper. That's not the original bumper. This is a different bumper.
Okay. So the M1 bumper. Not sure what the hell that means because I'm not a BMW guy, but yeah. But yeah, man. M3 life. Bag life. But yeah, if you guys want to give him a follow, that's Greg M3 at Instagram. I'll have his link to his profile in the description below. This is that white one I raced a while back. Now shit's chalk gray. We wanted to go with that Porsche light gray color. So yeah, it's a clean build, man. Clean build. A lot of money put into this car to get it to look this way. It don't happen overnight. Hey, how long would you say it took you to get all this done?
It took me 2 years.
2 years. There you go, right there. 2 years of work. So you're gonna build a car. It could probably take longer than that if you don't know the right people. So, something to think about, boys. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and continue to take you around, show you some more cars. Alright boys, I hope you enjoyed this little car meet vlog. Thank you for coming along. Thank you guys for supporting the channel, of course. If you could, hit that like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow my boy Greg M3. His link to his Instagram will be in the description below. But until next time guys, Leave Vlogs out. Clean, clean. So in love with these R35s. We just copped too. I need one in my life.